Honda HR-V, the hybrid SUV, focuses on space and design. The new Honda HR-V is renewed by adopting the same hybrid technology of Jazz and CR-V. Total renewal for Honda HR-V, compact model in the current European range, is positioned halfway between the Jazz Crosstour and the CR-V. Compared to the first generation launched in 2013, if we do not count the homonymous model of '99 that first bore this name, the new HR-V keeps the measurements almost unchanged, completely changing in style and technology. It will arrive in Europe by the end of the year. Essential design. The shapes change, but without dimensional growth. HR-V remains 4.30 meters long and 1.77 wide, while the height is slightly reduced, dropping just under 1 meter and 60. At the same time, the height increases by 1 centimeter. Ground clearance and the size of the wheels, which now fit 18 rims. Together with the complete transition to the hybrid, the lines also change, such as the almost sealed grille with horizontal slats, the thinner lights at the top of a less pointed and more vertical front. With each line developing horizontally, tapered and sweet shapes give a more dynamic look to the Japanese SUV. It is also modified and increased, with 35 mm more for the legs of the rear passengers. The typical Honda solutions to increase versatility are confirmed, such as the magic seatback sofa that allows the backrest to be folded into a perfectly horizontal position together with lifting of the seats, favored by the absence of the tank, placed under the driver's seat. The tailgate can also be power assisted, with hands-free operation thanks to a sensor under the bumper activated by the foot's movement. Inside, the black finishes stand out, on request with touches of orange in the seams and inserts, and air vents with new adjustment controls. The infotainment is all new, with a 9-inch touch display and a simplified interface, and rapid response to commands increased by 50% compared to the current generation. Included in the features are, of course, compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Finally, the instrument panel, also digital, is displayed on a 7 monitor. Full hybrid in series and parallel. The solution adopted by the new Honda HR-V for hybrid propulsion, derived from the Jazz sisters in CR-V, combines a highly efficient petrol engine, in this case, a 1.5, with 2 electric motors, a motor generator, and a real machine own, plus a battery placed under the load compartment. The maximum total power of the system is 131 horsepower. At low and medium speeds, traction is exclusively electric, ensured by the battery, with limited capacity and therefore not very bulky and not very heavy. Through the generator, the engine produces the energy necessary for traction, hybrid in series. Only at high speeds, above 80 km per hour, is the 1.5 connected directly to the transmission, without a gearbox, to support thrust and become a traditional parallel hybrid. The transition from one mode to the other is automatic, but the driver can select Eco, Normal, and Sport driving programs. Also, for the first time, HDC, the downhill gate control system, is available.